Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the spike stitch. I'm using worsted weight yarn and an H hook. To begin, chain 36 or any multiple of 5 plus 1. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in each chain across. You will make a total of 5 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch. You can see what the 5 rows look like. To change colors, begin your last single crochet stitch, and then with the new color yarn, finish the stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. We're going to do elongated single crochet stitches in groups of 5 across the row. The first single crochet will be a regular one in the top loops. The second single crochet will be done 1 row down. The third single crochet will be 1 more row down. The fourth, another row down. And the fifth single crochet will be done another row down. Now, we will repeat this group of 5 again. Start off with the regular single crochet. Stitch number 2 will be done 1 row below. Stitch number 3, 1 more row below. Stitch number 4, another row below. And finally, stitch number 5, another row below that. Continue doing groups of 5 single crochet stitches across. At the end, if your count is correct, your last single crochet will be near the edge. Once completed, chain 1 and turn your work. Do 4 rows of 1 single crochet across. You'll have 1 elongated row plus the 4 regular single crochet rows, for a total of 5 white rows. I'm switching to the green color now. Chain 1 and turn. We need to follow the previous elongated rows pattern. So this time we're starting off with the longest single crochet stitch. And then we work our way upwards. We'll end our 5 stitches with a regular single crochet. Continue this pattern across the row. Afterwards, make 4 rows of regular single crochet stitches. Next, I'm switching to the pink color. This time, our stitches start off at the top and get longer as we go. Regular single crochet, followed by elongated single crochet stitches that continue to grow in height as we proceed. After the spike row, do 4 more rows of regular single crochet. Continue this for as long as you wish. And that's how I make the spike stitch.